The rush is on right now to get home for Thanksgiving, but getting there could be a nightmare for hundreds of thousands of people. More than 200 flights around the country are already canceled because of the nasty weather that Shay just told you about. And at this hour, we're starting to see flights impacted at Tampa International. Our Ashley Orr joins us live now from the airport with a look at what's going on.
Look at this board. I want to show you. Look at all of that red. That is delayed or canceled flights. A handful canceled right now. Majority are delayed, but the people traveling who I spoke with say they're still finding something to be thankful for. 3 generations, all hoping a special trip will still happen.
We are going to New York City for the Macy's Day Parade because it's on my bucket list. And we've got to get it done soon because I'm getting old.
Winter weather may beat them to the Big Apple. Flights to the Northeast are already getting canceled or delayed.
It'll all work out the way it's going to work out, so we're just enjoying it. We're not going to get stressed about it.
And stress isn't what the Fitzpatrick signed up for. Their original flight to Philly has been canceled.
What are you going to do? We're thinking whether we should cancel completely or see if we get in late tonight or what. We'll probably cancel completely.
He and his wife were heading to Thanksgiving with their kids, grandkids,
and a great-grandchild.
Some fortunate flyers may still make reunions, like the Silverthorne kids.
We've seen a lot of planes that has been canceled, so we are happy that their flight is not canceled.
Lucky or not, at least no one here is pushing a plane like these Russian passengers. That's taking holiday travel to a whole new level. Yeah, nobody wants to be doing that. All right, you can see, again, those delays on the board. So if you are flying out today, you definitely want to check our website. You can go on to that, and you can see if your flight is going to be on time or if, unfortunately, you'll be delayed this holiday weekend. Reporting live from the airport, I'm Ashley Orr, ABC Action News.